Welcome to the aquatic realm, where the simple joy of swimming goes far beyond leisure. In this exploration, we dive into the countless benefits that make swimming not just an enjoyable activity, but a holistic boost for your physical and mental well-being. Swimming is the epitome of a full-body workout. Whether you're gracefully gliding through the water with freestyle or engaging your core with butterfly strokes, every muscle group is activated. It's a low-impact exercise that builds strength, endurance, and flexibility without putting stress on your joints. As a cardiovascular exercise, swimming elevates your heart rate, improving circulation and strengthening your heart. Regular swimming sessions contribute to better cardiovascular health, reducing the risk of heart disease and promoting overall cardiovascular fitness. Swimming is a powerful ally in the battle against excess weight. The resistance of the water provides a challenging environment for calorie burning. It's an effective way to manage weight or enhance weight loss efforts while enjoying a refreshing and low-impact activity. Immerse yourself in the calming embrace of water. Swimming has a unique ability to reduce stress and anxiety. The rhythmic nature of swimming, combined with the buoyancy of water, creates a serene environment that promotes relaxation and mental well-being. Swimming promotes flexibility as your body moves through a wide range of motions. The resistance of the water requires your muscles to stretch and reach, contributing to increased flexibility. Over time, this can enhance your overall range of motion. For those recovering from injuries or dealing with joint issues, swimming is often recommended as a form of rehabilitation. The buoyancy of water reduces impact on joints, making it an ideal exercise for recovery. Moreover, swimming helps prevent future injuries by strengthening supportive muscles. Beyond the physical benefits, swimming provides a social outlet. Whether you're participating in water aerobics, joining a swim team, or simply swimming with friends, the shared experience enhances your social well-being and fosters a sense of community. As we surface from this exploration, it's evident that swimming is not just a sport, but a gateway to holistic well-being. From the physical gains of strength and flexibility to the mental tranquility it brings, swimming is a dive into a world of health and happiness. Thank you for joining us on this aquatic adventure. If you're inspired to make a splash for your well-being, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, keep swimming and stay well.